Hi guys, it's Majesty Bianga here with the Financial Drive-Thru. And Bitcoin and pretty much everything in crypto has been down since yesterday. We've seen double-digit dips all the way across the board. And I mean, it's been pretty major. Bitcoin has seen about 16% since yesterday, and the total market cap has actually dropped all the way to 185 billion. So we're going to talk about that and look at a couple of reasons why this could have happened. So if you're interested in that kind of content, definitely stick around, hit the subscribe button, and definitely give me some likes. And that said, let's drive through. So we've had a couple people say the dip was due to the fact that Bitcoin futures just expired. But there's another interesting angle that we should look at. Bitcoin Cash is having a hard fork today, the 15th of November, and it's turning out to be a personal war between Roger Ver and Craig Wright. So let's take a look at what the headline has to say. This is a headline from cryptomoney.com. Getting right into it, a group headed by Satoshi Nakamoto, aka Craig Wright, the self-proclaimed inventor of Bitcoin, is all set to take over Bitcoin Cash following a software update, while a group led by Roger Ver, aka Bitcoin Jesus, is also set to contest their control. It's going to split into Bitcoin Cash ABC and Bitcoin Cash Satoshi's Vision, which is Bitcoin Cash SV. So we've seen some hard forks before, and I mean, Bitcoin Cash itself is a hard fork off of the Bitcoin chain. Now, what's interesting about this one is that there are two rival parties, and that's the Craig Wright team and the Roger Ver team. Actually, it's Craig Wright and Calvin Ayre, and Roger Ver and Jihan Wu. Now, Jihan Wu is the co-founder of Bitmain. Now, Roger and Jihan are actually in favor of the Bitcoin ABC chain, and Craig Wright and Calvin Ayre are in support of Bitcoin SV. Now, it's turned into a very malicious thing because they both can't seem to agree on the direction that Bitcoin Cash chain should go. Now, I find this quite interesting and a bit annoying at the same time because the whole market is getting caught up in their mess. And we're going to take a look at why exactly that's happening. Now, the article says that the fight will surely not benefit the token as the division will merely create two weaker versions of Bitcoin Cash, threatening the long-term viability of both. Now, the rival group is headed by Chinese mining giant Bitmain Technologies and investor Roger Ver. Now, why I find this very, would I say, amusing for me, it's because Roger Ver has been on a vendetta against Bitcoin itself, all year long, talking about how Bitcoin Cash is the real Bitcoin and all. And it's quite interesting to see that he could possibly lose control in this manner. But then again, the market is possibly being crippled by their banter, and so I'm not exactly a huge fan of what's going on. Now, we are all stuck smack in the middle looking at the prices, and everybody has to really pick sides. Now, here the article says that the head of research at BitMEX, Jonathan Beer, said in a message to Bloomberg, he says, the chain will split in two, but the economy will support ABC and reject SV, Satoshi's Vision. Now, he added that SV will have a low price and miners would leave it in a few weeks, and that's his prediction. So I want to know what you guys think about this.
What do you think?
So let's go over to a couple of tweets that have been causing quite a stir on the internet. This is one from Craig Wright, and he's saying to all Bitcoin miners, if you switch to mine Bitcoin Cash, we may need to fund this with Bitcoin. And if we do, we sell for USD. And well, we think the Bitcoin market has no room. It tanks. Think about it. We will sell a lot. Consider that and have a nice day. And he goes, Bitcoin to 1,000 does not faze him. And there's this really disturbing gif right here of a building coming all the way down.
Oh dear, we are in trouble.
So I'm sorry, Craig, but it does faze me. I'm sure it phases a whole lot of people. So we don't even want to be talking about stuff like this. Check out Jihan Wu's own Twitter page as well. He's also talking a lot about this, and a lot of comments are coming from people in the community who are either supporting or against his vision. And so it's really ridiculous. It's really crazy. And let's face facts, it's very possible that this sell-off was triggered by the battle that's going on right now. And I mean, if you check, everybody is talking about this right now. My video is quite late. But either way, I just want everybody to really know what's happening. Now, if we come over to CoinDance, that's actually cash.coin.dance, you can actually see there's 2 hours, 52 minutes, and 47 seconds until the Bitcoin Cash split. And there are also a couple of exchanges that are supporting both Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV. Binance and HitBTC to name a few. So it's going to be over in just over 3 hours. But my personal advice to everyone that's actually holding Bitcoin Cash is just hang in there. Don't move your money. Don't make any transactions because there's a whole lot of madness, and definitely don't want to be doing any transactions for a while. I would say maybe give it about 2 or 3 days just to figure out which side is going to win. On CoinDance here, you could actually see that over 72% of the miners are in support of Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. On CoinMarketCap here, you can see Bitcoin Cash SV and Bitcoin Cash ABC. Both have IOU tickers because certain exchanges have already started trading them. And I mean, I just personally don't think, except you're an avid trader, I don't think anybody should be messing around with this. So that's really all I want to say on the subject. And the last thing we want to look at is this other headline that I saw here, why Bitcoin slump might be a good thing in the long term. I'm not even going to go into this. I just want to know your thoughts, your opinions. So drop that in the comments for me, okay? And remember, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. My name is Majesty Ibiang, and I'll see you in the next drive-through. Thank you.